Hello guys, in this tutorial we're going to be showing you how to use Invoice Simple. We can use Invoice Simple to create invoices for your customers in seconds. From the home page, you can click on try it for free. And now that we're here at the top right corner, you can see sign up option there. So we're going to click on it. And here you can put in your details to sign up and continue using it. And now we're going to put in our details in order to sign up. And now that we're signed up and signed in, we're going to click on new invoice. So here we have the template to fill in for our invoice. We have our invoice name, we get to put our logo and the input fields from and billing to, and put in the number and description for the product or service. You also get to put in the notes, to put in your signature and the photos depending on what you're doing. You could also choose to change the template color and customize it, and you get to put in the tax type, the discount, and you get to select the currency. There are lots of currency to choose from here, and after choosing your currency, everything will be reflected according to your country. At the end, you get two options. You get to have the link or print the invoice. So this is how to use Invoice Simple for your business.